My dear student, welcome to all. Today we will learn about the chapter 4 because already you have also completed or the studied chapter 1, 2 and 3. According to syllabus, chapter 4 is also very important. So, chapter 4 I have also divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. In the part 1, we will study today about the only natural vegetation. Then another parts, wildlife, we will also learn in the next second part. So now start chapter 4 about the natural vegetation. Firstly, you know what is the, you can also say what is the vegetation. So any plant species who grows himself without human activities in the nature and different varieties of the plant species known as the vegetation. Under the vegetation, we will learn about the different plant species. That means forest, grasslands, orchards on the local level who planted by the humans and on land also planted and for a big size of the plant gathering or the different types of the creepers etc. So those types of the trees, plant, creepers, shrubs etc. Who found in the nature known as the vegetation. But a definition given for the forest under the vegetation, first we will also learn about the forest. That means a large area of the land who covered with the or the extension and continuous covered by the different varieties of the trees, plant species, shrubs, creepers, and the small, middle, and the long types size of the trees without any help of the human beings but protected by the human beings known as the forest. So, forest means jungle or a large or the big area who cover on the land. You know, India has only 19.6% or the 7% land covered with the forest. But environmental balance required 33% parts of the land for the our countries. But very less areas has also found the forest because according to the increase of the population of our countries, demand of the agricultural lands and the habitations, industrialization, urbanization, due to these types of the different activities and different demand and the needs of the lands utilization, then the forest convert into the deforestation and reduce of the forest found in this time. So, forest area has very reduced today because different human activities. Now, we will learn about the type of the forest. You know, type of the forest means different types of the forest found in the world on the base of climatic conditions, relief features, and the environmental situation who favorable for the different types of the plants. So, on the base of climatic conditions or the variation in the climates and the relief features, there are mainly 4 types of the forest found in the world. First is the, you can say evergreen forest. Another is the deciduous types of the forest. Third is the desert forest. And fourth types of the forest is the coniferous forest or the taiga tundra forest. So, there are 4 types of the forest divided or found in the world. First is the evergreen forest. Evergreen forest. Evergreen means which types of the tree or the plant, creepers or the species of the plant who gathering or the plant varieties of the plants also himself grows on a large areas, but not shed of the leaves according to the change of the season. Throughout the years, canopy with the leaves, that is called the evergreen forest. But evergreen forest mainly seen or the found where annual rainfall occur there above the 200 centimeter or the above the 200 centimeter, yes. So that area is known as the evergreen forest zone in the world. Under the this forest, North American, that means Rocky Mountains regions of the USA and Canada. In the European countries, that means UK, parts of the Russia, where heavy rainfall also received there, Germany, and western coastal parts of the Europe and eastern parts of the Atlantic Oceans. In the South America, Amazon regions and western parts of the Andes mountains. In the Southeast Asia, Malaysia, Indonesia regions, and Indian coastline regions, Himalayas regions, where found the coniferous forest. In the eastern parts of the Australia and the African countries, that means Congo region, western parts of the Africa, and the South African parts, coastal regions, also has also found the evergreen forest. But evergreen forest also subdivided into 2 parts: tropical evergreen forest and the deciduous evergreen forest. Deciduous evergreen forest. That means evergreen forest also divided into 2 parts: tropical evergreen forest and the deciduous evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forest means 200 and above centimeter rainfall zone, where throughout the years cannot shed of the leaves by the trees, and canopy throughout the years with the leaves, known as the tropical evergreen forest. But area of this forest is the tropical zone. So area of the tropical zones, you know, a Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. That means 23 and a half degree north latitude to 23 and a half degree south latitudes. This area is also parts of the tropical evergreen forest zone. So this area has a very long types of the trees also grows there, because that area has received heavy temperature and high temperature and the heavy rainfall. So fastly grows, or the growth of the plants or the trees also seen in this region. Mahogany, ebony, gataparcha, cinchona, rubber, these types of the plants or the trees also grows in these regions. Next, deciduous types of the forest. What is the meaning of deciduous? Means which types of the tree or the plant shade of the leaves according to the change of the season or the beginning of the summer and end of the winter. That types of the forest known as the deciduous evergreen forest. Under this forest, you will also learn about the different names of the trees. That means sal, peepal, banyan tree, and shisham. These types, mango plants, trees, etc., are also found in the deciduous zone or the tropical zone, but semi-tropical zone, that means 30 degree to 40 degree latitudinal extents in the both hemisphere. That area has also recorded heavy rainfall, but beginning of the summer, shade of the leaves by this tree, therefore it is also known as the evergreen deciduous forest. Next, we will learn about the temperate, a tropical, another is the temperate. Temperate means area who lie between the 30 degree to 50 degree east and the north and the south latitudinal zone. That means temperate. Temperate evergreen, then another is the temperate evergreen forest zone. So a temperate evergreen forest also found in the temperate zones. That means temperate zones also lie between the 30 degree north latitudes to 50 degree north latitudes and the 30 degree south latitude to 50 degree south latitudes. So this area is the area of the temperate zones where ray of the sun slanty found there, and temperature also less than the tropical zone. So it is also known as the tropical temperate zone. And this area has different types of the forest also found there. Mainly this area known as the monsoon forest, because forest or the plant or the tree grows according to the rainfall or the temperature, who found which types of the temperature and the situation in the temperate zone for the growing of the trees or the plants. Therefore it is also known as the temperate forest. So another type of the trees is the or the forest known as the desert forest. Desert forest means area of the desert under the temperate or the deciduous forest in the or the monsoon forest, India, Pakistan, neighboring country, and the Australia, Western Australia is also under the monsoon types of the forest found there. Now, desert forest, you know, the area where very less rainfall recorded on that regions, therefore that area is known as the desert forest. That means below the 50 centimeter rainfall. Under this forest, in the world's Sahara Desert zone, Kalahari deserts of the Africa, Atacama deserts of the South America, in the Arizona deserts of the North America, Arabian deserts of the Western Asia, Thar deserts of the India, and the sandy deserts of the Australia. This desert has also found the very small size of the cacti plants, trees, creepers, or the some shrubs also found there. So these types of the forest known as the desert forest. Third types of the forest, desert forest. Desert forest. And last, coniferous. You know, some trees also grows and found on the top mountains or the hills where heavy rainfall or the less rainfall also found there. And that area also has throughout the years canopy with the leaves, but cover lofty mountains areas covered with the snow. So that area has for the shape and size and protection of the trees, shape of the size of the tree just like a conical shape structure of the tree. That means these types of the trees also found in these regions. So these types of the forest also found in the coniferous forest. But coniferous forest also divided into two parts. That means a broad leaf forest and another is the needle shape structure leaves of the forest. So mahogany, pine, spruce, hemlock, gataparcha, and the blue pines, white, blue pines, etc. These types of the trees also grows in that regions or the zones. So that area is also known as the coniferous types of the forest. And another types of the forest is also found in our country is the mangrove types of the forest, and mangrove types of the forest mainly found in the desert delta regions of the river valley basins. For the example, in our country's eastern coastal parts, that means Mahanadi Delta, Godavari Delta, Krishna Kaveri Delta, Sundarban Delta, these delta regions has also suitable and ideal for this forest. So these types of the forest also found in this area, red and the blue or the green types of the mangrove also found there. So these types of the forest known as the type of the forest. Now importance of the forest, you know, a forest or the trees protect to the soil conservation, soil erosions, and it is also provide oxygen for the breathing. Carbon dioxide also absorbed by the trees or the plants. Therefore, moderate temperature also provide by these or the help by this forest. Forest area has a very moderate temperature, and that area suitable or the ideal for the any animal species. So maximum animal also found there. So next, a forest give or the provide different types of the fruitial plants, trees, and the wood, furnitures, etc. made by the human needs. So different new human needs also fulfill or the help by this forest. Forest also help for the rain and attract to the clouds and heavy rainfall occur or receive on that regions. So many important parts with the help of the forest you and we also found everywhere. Now we will learn about the grassland. You know, there are, what is the meaning of grassland? Area where very less rainfall recorded there and moderate types of the rainfall also occur there. So that area has only grows the grass, not a tree. So that area known as the grassland. So mainly grassland also divided into two parts in the world. First is the tropical grassland, another is the temperate grassland. Tropical grassland means high and the long types of the grass also found there. So campos, llanos, parkland and Sudan types of the grassland also example of the tropical grassland. But pampas, steppe and veld, downs, these types of the name of the grassland given for the temperate grassland, because temperate grasslands, the grass has a height very small than the tropical grassland. Next, how can you conserve the grass forest? That means judicial use of the forest, reduce of the human needs and protected act, different types of the forest conservations, and that means hunting also complete the prohibited for the animals and the plants also. So you can also conserve forest with the help of government agencies and the non-government agencies and the individual awareness. Thank you.